Hello, I'm Jeff Van Robertson with Penton Audio USA, and here at InfoComm 2026, we like to be showcasing our TERRACOM audio over IP suite of products. Now, we are really specialized in this show this year because what we want to do is highlight our K-12 intercom system and the use for the TERRACOM thing. So whether you've got an existing school or you got a new build out on your campus, our TERRACOM suite of products is exactly the most feature-rich one you can find to fit whatever your needs are. So if you want your two-way audio inside of your classrooms, then we have a full suite of IP speakers, whether they're lay-in ceilings, wall mount, surface mount, a whole suite of IP products, and you can get them in one-way or two-way. We can also get our push-to-call buttons. If you want call buttons, go back to the office. And at the front end, we can also have our touchscreen microphones, which are all PoE, as many as you want, and these are feature-rich because they have onboard audio storage. You can also have built-in messaging,
Jazz band will be back on stage shortly.
As well as your zone page buttons and group zone buttons, and you can answer your call-ins here. So the built-in scheduler for all of your Bell systems. You can have multiple systems running concurrently or multiple schedules concurrently, all in any of these. And if you want to go even more, for larger schools or campuses, we actually have our Terra Manager, which is our GUI software, where you can have virtually unlimited screens, and you can have your integrated map for any of your calls, messages, bells, or whatever, as we can do a quick message.
This is an emergency. Please evacuate the building.
And for your common areas, or if you don't even want two-way audio within your school, we have our boutique, and this is our SIP IP-based amplifier. You can put as many of these on the network. You can get it in 4 zones or 8 zones, and they share 500 watts of power. And you can also connect external amplifiers for more power and to use as a backup amplifier. And the really cool feature about this is it will fully supervise all your speaker circuits. So if you have an open, ground, or short on your speaker circuits, it will let you know, so you know your common areas are safe and they're going to be working when you need them in an emergency. So our other highlight is our AudioBot Teams, where you can use our mobile app now for any remote messaging and live text-to-speech into any of our systems, and especially your school. Our AudioBot partners out of the UK have been with us for a while, and they're feature-rich, and you can use them with any audio system. So make sure you ask about that, and with our Panic pendants as well. So that is a quick, really rough rundown on our TERRACOM IP, audio over IP products, and how we use them in our K-12. And remember, our tagline is, no servers, no licenses needed. So thanks again. You can reach us at penton-usa.com, and please join us over here at C7107 booth if you happen to be here at the show. Thank you very much, and have a terrific day.